Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL 205 to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, select Open. Now you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on TCL. Following that, choose Receive on an Android and Send on TCL smartphone. Then you need to click on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo, choose Send and tap on Got It. Over here you need to choose No Thanks and close this window on an Android. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then tap on Receive. But we can also scan this QR code. If you want to do that, tap on this scanning icon on an Android, select while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. After that, as you can see, in a matter of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!